So guys, let's make a breakfast empanada. I'm starting with a pie crust. It's kind of in this oval shape, and I'm gonna put my nice crispy hash browns down first. Next, I got my shredded cheese, and I'm gonna follow that up with my bacon. You can use sausage or ham, or God, use all three. I wouldn't be against that at all. We're gonna hit that next with some scrambled eggs. You could put a fried egg in there, but I thought scrambled might be good for a change. I'm always doing fried eggs. Then we're gonna add some glue. I'm using water. Water, of course, on pie crust is going to really help it stick to itself. So I'm just taking my finger. You can use a little brush if you want, but go ahead and just get a nice little layer all the way around the edges. Get it nice and wet. And then go ahead and fold it over. Tuck it in nice and tight. You're going to want to be sure there's no air gaps in there. And I'm using a fork for extra sealage. Just going to kind of crimp those edges as we go all the way around. And it's time to cook. I got some hot oil, so I'm not going to throw this in an oven. I'm going to throw it in a pan. I'm going to give it a little basty baste, kind of help cook the top because it's not totally submerged. Now it's time to flip it, and that's going to be the trick. I'm very careful, kind of just roll it over. We'll go ahead and baste that a little bit more. This only takes a few minutes. My oil's not too hot, but it is hot enough it'll burn if I leave it in there for too long. Now this was the mistake. I shouldn't have flipped it so hard. It's so flaky right now and real delicate. It just kind of broke up. But I tell you what, it was good. All in all, it needs some work. I have to figure out how to do it so it doesn't just break apart on me. But for a first attempt, I'll tell you what, it wasn't bad. The cheese was nice and melty. The hash browns were crisp, and that dough was light and flaky. What a treat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone.